Hi, this is Mr. Warden. This is the PreAlgebra Exit Ticket 32.2 video key. And the first question, we want to find the span of a regular hexagon with sides 12 decimeters long. Now you may be like, what's a span? Well, I've labeled it right here. A span. It's a little like a diameter from a flat edge to a flat edge for a hexagon. So that is what a span is, but it's not quite the same as a diameter. Of course, there's a long way across and a short way across the hexagon. So it ends up being the short way across. So we got these regular hexagons. Any one of them can be divided into 6 equilateral triangles by drawing in the 3 diagonals shown. So flump, flump, and flump. Find the span of a regular hexagon with sides 12 decimeters long. Well, so this side, what it's saying is this side here is 12 decimeters. I'm not going to write the unit because of the fatness of my writing tool, but there you go. 12 decimeters there and 12 decimeters there. But what we need is not the 12. We need those 2 altitudes. Now, when we split up that equilateral triangle here and here, we split it up, each of them, into 2 30, 60, 90 triangles. So what you need is this side. This is, of course, the root 3 side. So that's not so bad. We're going to have 12. Then this will be 6. And so that will be 6 root 3. And since there's 2 of them, they will be 12 root 3. So the span is going to be 2 sets of 6 square root of 3. So that's 12 square root of 3. And in this case, it's decimeters. I have given you a unit. All right, now what is the perimeter of this octagon? All right, so we've been told, and this next question will ask, what's the span of the octagon? Once again, it's the short way across as opposed to from opposite vertices like that, which would be a long way across. So it's the short way across from flat to flat. So the perimeter of the octagon, we need to know how long this is. Okay, and that one, and there's going to be 8 of them. Well, the nice thing is we've been told that the central square side is 6. So that central square is a 6 by 6 square. And if this is a 6 unit long side for the square, then this is also 6 units long. Okay, so then the perimeter is going to be 8 times 6. Okay, that sound is the sound of my son having a great deal of fun with our kitten. Okay, so the span will be, actually the perimeter, okay, is 8 times side length. Okay, and the side lengths are, side length is 6 units. So perimeter equals 8 times 6 units. So that's going to be 48 units. Okay, that's fairly straightforward. Let's take a look at the span. The span's a little trickier. So for the span, we certainly have this. This will be 6 units, but we need this and this. These are both going to be 6 over root 2. So the span is going to be 6 plus, and there's going to be 2 of those, 2 times 6 over square root of 2. Now we'll rewrite the square root of the 6 over square root of 2. That's going to be 6 plus 2 times 6 times the square root of 2 all over 2. Okay, and that'll be units, of course. Now, once we do that, of course, this 2 and this 2 will cancel out. So we'll end up with 6 plus 6 square root of 2 units. And we are done. I hope that was helpful.